So this is all the ingredients for my recipe for today, guys. We have the chicken. It's just little because only me and Amma will gonna eat this recipe. I have the tomato. We have here the onion, green chili, yogurt, ginger, chicken cubes, and we have the morgi masala. By the way, guys, morgi means chicken here, and we have the ginger. So let's begin cooking, guys. The first step, we're gonna add the cooking oil. So this is the first step we need to do. And here are the second one. We have the garlic, and we're gonna make this garlic little bit brownish. And the next thing, we need to put the onion, and we need to fry the onion for 1 to 3 minutes. And now we're adding the chicken. We need to make the chicken like little brownish, guys, because so that it become like, really good. And now the next step, I'm gonna add salt. It's just little salt. Now I'm adding also the black pepper, so that the smell will come. I like black pepper for all the recipes I'm cooking, especially for the chicken, because it gives good smell. And now let's see. Now it's a bit little brownish. Now the color of the chicken already changed. So we need to add now our tomato. So the tomato, it's more guys, because in this recipe we need to use more tomato, because this is like most important in this recipe. I'm adding now the ginger. Now I'm adding the green chili, yogurt, and little bit water, and also the chicken cubes and that masala. I'm adding all together so that the taste will come now. Now it's almost ready, guys, so we just need to wait until like 10 to 15 minutes, then it will be ready. So hope you guys like this video, and you can try this recipe if you want. So thank you so much, guys, for always watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're gonna be updated for my new vlog. Thank you, and see you on my next vlog, guys. Hope you enjoy and like my video. Bye bye, and see